Welcome back to WINDBER, Pennsylvania. Down 25 minutes away from downtown Johnstown again. As you can see, it's the day after the snowstorm. Our neighbors have recovered their driveway. You can see an indication of that. The roads are definitely visible today, thanks to our heroes, the snowplows. And the snowplow drivers, I should say. And there we have little gold baby's house. Again, by that blue indication you see. Across from our mailboxes, that's where two adorable little goat babies reside. And you can see the Eureka Club for Mine 42 is not veiled in incoming snow. Billowing incoming snow. The mountain ridge is much more defined. And there's our next door neighbor, as you can see, still hard at work. And the snow is slowly drifting off of roofs as the day after the winter storm is a little bit warmer. And you can hear the birds chirping, heralding even more warmer weather. And it's pretty quiet as people are still nestled in their homes or off at work. And the stream is slowly thawing out. And that back road back there, I would say about 5 feet in front of that building you see with the snow looking almost like stalagmites, has not been cleared yet. But everything else is pretty much back to normalcy for a winter in WINDBER, Pennsylvania here. Thanks for joining us again, darlings, for the day after the snowstorm in WINDBER, Pennsylvania. Cheers, darlings.